G'day everybody, welcome back. This groovy little number is Tumeke. Well, actually it's upper Tumeke onto Tumeke. Whee! Oh. This is a super fun, flowy trail, and the upper section just gives it a little more oomph. It is sick. Boy. Whee. Ooh. Ooh. Whee. Oh, bunk. Not like that. And at the split, we're going to carry on the Tumeke. Love them local lines, I mean, don't get me started on the local tracks. Whoa. Woo. Hey. Oh bugger, that's right, there's that wee drop off to the left there. Oh, mean corners. They're not too big to be mighty. Those little corners are sick. Woohoo! And that is Tumeke. Thanks for watching. See you next time.